Hi there! Diabetes is becoming a big health problem worldwide. The number of people with diabetes has jumped from 108 million in 1980 to 422 million in 2014. It can lead to serious issues like blindness, kidney problems, heart disease, strokes, and even loss of limbs. For people with diabetes, keeping their blood sugar under control is super important. How does sugar enter our blood? Sugar enters our blood through the food we eat, so making smart food choices is a key way to manage diabetes. Here are some great foods that can help. Green leafy vegetables. These veggies are low in calories and carbs, helping keep blood sugar stable. They're high in fiber, which slows down sugar absorption. Spinach, fenugreek, methi leaves, and drumstick leaves are especially helpful. Drumstick leaves can really lower blood sugar because they have ascorbic acid, which boosts insulin production. Whole grains. Switching from refined grains, like white rice, to whole grains can help. Whole grains are full of fiber and nutrients, and they have a lower glycemic index, GI, meaning they don't raise blood sugar as quickly. Try brown rice, millet, ragi, and oats for better control. Ragi, in particular, can reduce stress and inflammation, which helps with diabetes. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, which is common in people with diabetes. They're also rich in vitamin C, which helps balance blood sugar. Beans. Beans have a low GI, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar quickly. The GI of soybeans is 15, kidney beans are 28, and chickpeas are 33. Beans are complex carbs, so they digest slowly and help control weight, blood sugar, and cholesterol. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits have anti-diabetic effects. They're rich in vitamin C and other nutrients without adding a lot of carbs. Vitamin C helps control blood sugar levels. These 5 foods, green leafy veggies, whole grains, berries, beans, and citrus fruits, should be a big part of a diabetic person's diet. Foods to avoid. Stay away from foods with a high GI like white rice, white bread, pumpkin, white potatoes, refined sugar, sugary drinks, cakes, pastries, biscuits, and packaged snacks. These can quickly raise your blood sugar. Tips to manage diabetes. Don't skip breakfast, and try to eat something every 2 hours. Have a warm lemon juice with chia seeds or warm water with amla, Indian gooseberry, powder and a pinch of turmeric in the morning to help control your sugar levels. Keep your mind calm and relaxed. Stress and worries can make it harder to manage diabetes. Try yoga or meditation to keep a positive and peaceful mindset. Be kind to yourself and others. Don't expect everything to be perfect, just do your best. Diabetes may be a part of your life, but if you take care of yourself, you can live a happy, normal, and successful life. Take it one day at a time and keep a positive attitude. Stay healthy and take care.